Next is the word export mixed tree structure. This feature was implemented to be able to export three items with the same order in the tree with mixed contents of issues, folders, and pages. So I have here a custom template, and in order to export mixed tree items, you need to use the selected item expression and record the items by item type as defined in the template. So in the tree, let's try to export the three items of business and requirements folder with folders, issues, and pages. And let's use the mixed tree structure template. So we can only export mixed tree structure by using the supported context items and expressions like selected items, and item type. For more details, you may check out our Word Export Template Language public documentation. So the export is complete. Let's check the result. So as you can see that the display data are the same order in the tree.